Today I'm going to, yesterday was my birthday and I opened my gifts yesterday. I'm gonna try one of my favorite toys that I got, and yeah, and it's called Beast Lab. So yeah, I already unboxed it and I have everything ready now. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. Okay. Now I'm gonna put in the skin. Now to turn it to orange. Now add rocks when added. This powder okay, we'll just now twist it to this one. When finger scanner flashes, press to continue. Add Paramount Crystal. Add Paramount Crystal. Beware, destructive and chaotic. Energy in crystal form. Powerful when mixed with organic materials. Wait, is this the one? Okay, this is the one. Okay. When heat dial flashes, turn poison shown. Protect with caution. I hope it doesn't mean that with like real life. 6. Contain the danger. Safely shut down the experiment. When alarm flashes, quickly screw the lid onto chamber. Pull down on emergency lever to drain the liquid. What? This is so cool. Can I like undrain it? Mr. Beast. Oh, I'll just leave it in there. Okay. 8. Unleash your beast. Okay, just do that. Okay, Battle Roar FXX. Activate powers. Light up Pandorian core. Pandorian weapon. Fully pose. Use to the weapon and attach to the arm. Now to put in these things. I think I put it backwards. Yeah, I put it backwards. Okay, now to put in these things. Pew! Oh, I figured out. I think I figured out how to make him roar. This is how you move the head from left to right. Then this is how it moves from left to right and the body. Power strike attack. Now we're gonna return it to base. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to put that correctly later. Then the weapon goes here. The balls go in here. And then he's back in base. There we go. Gonna do free play mode. Just wait one sec. Now we're gonna reset the chamber. I mean. You have to hold it for a little. Whoa, this is cool. And it has finished. Oh, wait, backwards. We're gonna cover it again, but in experiment mode. I am a dino scientist, and I learned how to do this better. So that's why we're gonna do it again. First, unscrew the chamber. First, we're gonna put our finger in the fingerprint scanner. Now we add the fossil fragment into the, I don't know what it's called. And then when heat dial flashes in green. 2. Power up the attack. We're gonna press the fingerprint scanner. Add attack serum. So the attack serum is here. When fingerprint scanner turn to dial yellow, now we're gonna add the fingerprint thing. I forgot pink fingerprint scanner. Then we're gonna add the skin scrapings. Now, when heat dial flashes turn to position orange, when fingerprint scanner flashes, tap to continue. Add roll rocks. When heat dial flashes, turn to the darker orange. 5. Complete the experiment. Fingerprint scanner flashes continue. Put in the, what is it called? The okay, I can't read that. Crystal. The crystal. Turn it to the darker orange. Then screw the lid. Danger. Well, I'm Nico. Hope you had fun playing with me, Beast Lab. Subscribe to my channel so we can have more play dates together. Bye.